Do you ever feel tired before your day even begins? Your eyes open and suddenly your mind is running. Messages, plans, things you forgot yesterday, things waiting for you tomorrow. Before your feet even touch the floor, life already feels loud. Somewhere along the way, rushing became normal. Fast replies, fast schedules, fast lives. Even resting started feeling unproductive. But peace was never supposed to be earned through exhaustion. Welcome to Just Begin. This channel is about slowing down gently. Not perfectly, not dramatically, just honestly. Because sometimes the smallest pause changes everything. Most people struggle to slow down because they try to change their entire life overnight. A new routine, a new mindset, a new version of themselves immediately. But the brain resists extreme change. It treats it like danger. That is why burnout often follows motivation. Real change usually begins quietly, almost invisibly. So here is your first step. Create one small pocket of stillness each day. Just 90 seconds. No scrolling, no music, no multitasking. Simply sit somewhere comfortable. Hold a warm drink, look out a window. Notice the light in the room. At first, your mind may feel restless. That is normal. Your attention has been overstimulated for a long time. But slowly, your body begins to recognize stillness as safe again. And safety changes everything. You begin breathing slower, thinking clearer, moving softer. Small moments start returning to you again. The warmth of morning tea, rain against the window, bird sounds outside. Tiny things stop feeling invisible. And perhaps most importantly, you stop reacting to life constantly. You begin responding to it instead. As I mentioned in my last video, the philosophy of Kaizen is built on tiny improvements repeated consistently, not dramatic transformations, just gentle progress, a calmer choice today, a softer moment tomorrow. And another idea I mentioned previously is the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, the idea that imperfect things can still be beautiful, uneven pottery, weathered wood, incomplete journeys, human beings. So when difficult days happen, and they will, do not decide you failed. Begin again gently, again and again. Tonight, do not try to change your whole life. Just create one quiet moment for tomorrow. That is enough. And if this peaceful little corner of the internet feels comforting to you, please subscribe. We are learning how to live more gently together, one small step at a time. Just begin.